That's right.
What? Yeah. Pizza the Hut. Perfect, I can sit right there. You can leave it right there, that way someone can grab it if they lose it.
So wait, what's after this game type?
Probably capture the flag.
Alright, I'm gonna sit out for capture the flag and look at the footage.
Yeah. Why would you want to sit down? You play, you look at the footage when you get home.
Nah. I don't like capture the flag.
Alright. Well then we won't do capture the flag. Do the tree line.
Come on.
Nobody likes capture the flag.
Oh, come on. I want to look at the footage.
Alright, red team, get out there. Come on, let's go.
Get the hell out of here!
Just gotta shoot y'all if you don't move.
I start shooting in 3, and I can't count.
You guys have 3 minutes till the start of the game.
Aaron, where have you been the entire time?
Go!
Oh no, he went and took his pistol out there.
Yeah.
Got 2.5 minutes till the start of the game. Everyone can do this. I believe in you guys.
Fuck, they can't. 10 minutes will start.
That's really great encouragement by your friend Shane. That's really great encouragement. No, it's not actually.
That's something I don't think I'm.
You have your Springer?
Battling,
Where's your M4? Aaron, where's your guns?
Huh?
Your guns.
It's right there.
Yeah, we're gonna start real soon. Oh no. Wait, 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes exactly.
We'll get my gun.
Pistol, shotgun. Oh God, sorry.
You guys, they went over in that corner.
Sorry.
Keep it there.
Sorry, Sam. It's hard to control this thing.
Oh no, they're walking. Oh, the blue kid?
No, right.
Careful. They guys full sticking out.
Right here.
It doesn't make a difference. That's where they were supposed to start. They decided they wanted to start over there, so.
Where are you going?
I did it the one day.
What?
Go down here and go up the side. See what we got.
We're in the middle. Where did we move? That's the way to go.
Oh, no, I wasn't even a rep there.
No, all over there. All walks happen.
Yeah, probably start a good skirmish around the kill house, and Sam and I and whoever else joins us will come around the back. And
I'm not going around that back. It's probably gonna be crowded as fuck.
You guys out?
I know. Stop targets.
No.
I'm target practice enough as it is. So.
30 seconds.
Oh come on! What are they going to do in 30 seconds other than playing?
I don't know. If I want to wear a t-shirt, we're starting.
Why? Good there.
I'm following whoever's doing a better idea.
I don't have a good idea.
Running guys.
Full Mother Russia!
That big dance man.
3, 2.
Is your radio on?
Let's go! Oh, this is suicide.
Contact! I got you 6. Go ahead. Contact? No,
No, nothing yet. We're gonna go around to the left side of the kill house.
He just yelled that out loud. God damn.
Hey, which channel's Carter?
Same channel as me.
I switched channels. They're different.
Well,
So
you
you're
might want to switch back in.
Well, I just talked with you, him, whoever
Okay.
was talking with him.
Oh boy.
The swamp babies.
So Carter Wasley has one.
Carter, you, and Aaron. No Hunter.
Dude, both sound so intense over there.
We got movement in the kill house. In the kill house.
Don't yell.
Here I am. Over here.
Me with a loud voice.
I know where good hikes that is.
In the weeds.
There's a good one.
Eli, do that behind us. Eli.
I'm watching the front of the kill. It's on our team. Okay, they're moving up. Yeah, I see them. They're moving up.
Movement right, movement right.
Move on the right.
Over on the right.
Watch the right. Move on the right.
What?
Big guy coming in.
Carter, you got movement? Aaron, you got movement? Who is that? We just said that. Carter.
Who's the guy in the shepherd? Who's the guy in the gray sweater with the box back?
Me. Or no, Aaron.
Aaron?
Aaron.
Wanna see if you have some fun in the kill house yet? What? You have some fun in the kill house yet? Well, I'm gonna go back over. Let's see if there's any fun. Oh, they're moving up from front of the kill house. Cover.
Which window?
Go, cover and fire. Oh, got him. He's gone.
How many more are in there?
Coming in the back of the kill house.
See nothing.
Looking. Sounds like they need some help over there. Who's got the walkie-talkie? See what they're doing? See what they're dealing with on that other side. What?
Are they in the dog? Right. They in this house. They filmed this house right now.
I don't know. Probably. Left! Oh, hey! I'm hit, damn it! Left side. That hurt.
You out, Sam?
Yep, shot me right in the head.
The other guy with the walkie-talkie, the only body he was in it, the other two are out. Think about ditch on the coat for this next one. I know it'll hurt more if I get hit.
1 minute! Really?